discuss about TCS NQT, which was the most awaiting test or contest of this year. So this is one of the another opportunity given by TCS to get into TCS. Like first one is the Code Vita and second one is TCS NQT. And so in today's lecture we will discuss like what is NQT, what are the changes that they have made in this NQT for this time, how to register for it, who are eligible for that, and each and every point about TCS NQT in this particular video. So let's start about that. My name is Anshul and you are watching our channel The Inside Coders. So let's begin. So here we are with TCS NQT. So for that you just need to log in into your campus commune. So this is the campus commune screen that you will see. So most of the time students say, like even I myself face the problem that campus commune doesn't open. It is showing like 404 bad gateway or something, the error like that. So for that the best way is just go to your next tab. Here you have an option to go to the campus commune. So you can directly open it from here as well. So let's see about the TCS NQT. So when you just come to your campus commune, so the very first time the announcement is this registrations for NQT test. So if you are like on the second screen, then you have to just come back, otherwise like you will have it on the first screen as well. Okay, so it is saying that the registrations have been opened from 25th September. So yesterday it was open and today we are just having the video on the same, right? And the most important thing is you have to fill it by 17th October. So we have very less time. That is the reason I always ask you to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates on time, so as not to miss any of the opportunity. And you know what is the best part about the NQT for this time? So this time NQT is just a national qualifier test, not only for TCS, for the other like industries, for other companies as well. That means the score of NQT will also be helpful for you to get placed in some other companies. So this is very good opportunity for you guys. So don't miss this opportunity. Even just share this video with your friends. So you know who are eligible for it. The one who are from 2019 pass out, 2020 pass out, 2021 and 2022. That means even the third year students of BTech can give it. Now the thing comes, only BTech, MTech, BC, MC only are only they eligible? No, even the students who are from BSc, BCA or any of the field, like anything, anyone can give this test. Not only for computer science, for IT or for like mechanical branch. Every branch, even since the person is say from BC is non-medical, he is not even having the computer science, even the person is eligible, but the condition is 2019, 2020, 2021 and 2022 batch pass outs. So please share with them as well, because this is for each and every one. So for the students like who are from BSc or any other background who are not having their like ID on this campus commune, so even if they want, just let me know in the comment box. We'll also have a video on that, like how to create your ID, because for the first time it becomes complicated for some students. So if you face any issue in that as well, just let us know in the comment box. Now this is about TCS NQT. See, like if we don't want to make a very big video, so like this year the TCS has like changed the pattern, like how the test would be conducted, each and everything. So like this is the new structure of TCS NQT. Like it is completely different from the previous one. So in the next video I'll be discussing about what is the structure, what are the other main points that you have to remember. Okay, so most important, the registration will close on 17th October 2020. So just don't miss this opportunity. And you know, you will even get the sample test that will be available from 30th September. That means this month itself, after 4 days. Okay, so the test dates are 24th, 25th and 26th of October. So let's see how to register for it. So even they have given the registration guidelines. So let's see what are the registration guidelines for the same. So when you will just click on it, you will have a PDF. So this is that PDF that tells us like what is the registration guidelines. So as soon as you will click on this register now button, you will have a screen like this. Since if you are an existing user, you can simply like write your email ID and password. If you are not, then you have to go to this create new. Okay, so as soon as you will just go to this create new, you have to fill your very basic the things that you are a learner, publisher, distributor, like what kind of person you are. Then the thing is name, password and the very basic details. And then the captcha, and just create an account. When you will create it, just log in by the account just by reading all the instructions. Okay. So you will have a screen like this when you will just continue with the login. Okay, so after that you just have to give your personal details, again the very basic one, like which state, what is your email ID, and each and everything regarding the same way for the mobile number, the education qualifications, even your photograph, the Aadhaar card, I guess it is also written there. So the very basic details that you have there, you just have to fill those details, and as soon as you just complete everything, you at the end you have to fill the captcha. So when you just fill the captcha, you just have to like click on this button that I agree everything that I am giving here is absolutely correct, and just click on this submit button. And as soon as you will click on it, you will have an application form number. Just like have a screenshot as well for such things, like even you will have a mail and SMS for that, but still for your like convenience, just have the screenshot of this number. Okay, so after that just close it, and you have been registered for it. And even I guess they have given the option this year that you can also edit the application. That is great. So like finally you have been registered for the same. So these are the very basic details. Even still, if you forget to like if you need to see any of the detail, you don't need to come to the video again. You will just like whenever you will just go to this, you can just get the registration guidelines. And the most important part is that like this year it is online as well. Like either you can give it from your home, or you can just directly choose any of the center if you do not have a good like stable internet connectivity. Okay, so for that you can also just go to some centers, select a center, and just give your exam there. And you know, this exam is 100% free. So if any one of the like YouTube channel or any of the site just ask you to pay for it, just don't go for the fraud sites. So it is better that you always go to the official sites. And you know, the link is not directly there. Even I'm not providing the link in today's video. The reason is you have to go to your own campus commune ID. So just like register for that. And still, if you find any of the issues, just let us know in the comment box, or even you can like ask us on the Telegram channel or the Instagram channel or anywhere else. It's up to you. And a part of that, like what are the changes that they have made in the NQT, like how else NQT is like helpful for you, even if you don't want to go to TCS. Even this is now just a national qualifier test. All the companies will hire according to it. Like it's just like an MCAT test, I could say. Okay, so like what are the three different things, like NQT score, industry NQT score, subject NQT score, and everything we'll be discussing in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates, because this time the qualifier test, since it is like lockdown in this pandemic, so everything has been like, even you can see the code beta was a level up this time. Seriously, it was level up. Yes, so for that, like every time they are just changing the level in this pandemic, everyone has changed it. And definitely TCS would also have changed the same, right? So we'll discuss like how you can go for the approach, what are the structures, and everything in detail in the next video. So just subscribe our channel and press the bell icons for latest update, and surely share this video with all your friends who are from 2019, 2020, 2021 or 2022 pass outs. Okay, bye bye.